Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to clear watch history in your YouTube. So let's take a look how to do that. You will notice that whenever you watch a video in YouTube many days and you would like to clear watch history from your Facebook. So in this video I will show you by step how you can do that. So I'm going to open my Facebook. This is my Facebook account. Now if I would like to clear the watch history that I had watched video in my Facebook account, I want to clear. For that you have to click this profile icon and then it will take you the timeline. Here you have to click this icon, activity logo, and here you can see something is going to appear. Here you have to click in the left side. There is you have to click here more. So when you click more you will find here something called watch video. So you can see here video you have watched. So you simply click over there. In the right side you will see all the video you have been watched in your Facebook account. And now if you want to clear all this watch history, simply click this upper side something writing clear video watch history. So whenever click clear video watch history, and then there will be a pop-up appear. Simply click here clear video watch history, and then immediately it's going to be clear everything. So this is how you can easily clear video watch history in your Facebook account. So that's for now guys. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.